Want to know where you can get the most out of your money? Well, welcome to the Excelsior building. Right on Billionaires Row, 303 East 57th Street. This building is an iconic white glove service building with amazing amenities such as a pool, gym, rooftop, and even a garage. And today I'm going to show you an incredible deal for an incredible unit. Come with me.
Buongiorno. This apartment is so calm, tranquil, serene. I really do love this apartment. Welcome to Unit 6F, an oversized one-bedroom apartment, easily convertible into a two-bedroom apartment. This is over 1,000 square feet. We have outdoor space, balcony, an incredible view, and I can't wait for you to watch it.